Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aking Parrot Ar Drone. Ar Drone, you see that? Malaking box siya. Wala na siyang cover. We bought this one from online. And then many times na rin siyang it's many times nag-crash. So, ganyan siya. So, let's start. Mayroon siyang free box of propeller. We will check it. Ayan, mayroon siyang tatlong box na kasama. Ganito. May orange. Ayan, orange and black. Ayan. And then sa isang box is also orange. And then mayroon akong two battery. Extra ang isa. And then the drone is what is called there? Kasi meron siyang ring. Meron siyang ring. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ang hirap, malaki kasi. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano siya. Ito ang bahay niya. Ito ang actual na drone. So, ayan. Ang aking propeller na ikinabit is blue. I have orange, black, and blue. So we put the battery here, and then meron siyang and the cover yung takip dito. This is a hood. It's a wrong way, like that. Ganyan siya guys. So this is the lock kung ilalagay mo na siya. Ayan. Ha?
Don't forget to tell him it's magnetic.
It's Parrot and then Ar Drones, right?
Yeah.
2.0. Ayan. Napaka-ano niya. This is made of styrofoam. Kaya masyado siyang light. So the camera is here. Do I have only one camera, right?
Correct.
I have only one camera. And then meron siya ditong ayan. So if we fly, you need to connect the Wi-Fi from the drones to your phone kasi yun ang nagaano para mag-fly siya. So meron din siyang plug-in dito para sa USB card, but we no need those. So we will try. This is the battery. You put the battery, fits on like that. Ang pinaka-switch niya is this wire. Ang pinaka-switch niya. Para ang hirap, no? So, we will see. Ikabit natin siyang ganyan. Nahirapan ako sa kalisod. Paano siya ikabit? Ayan. Tapos, pag okay na siya, tutunog siya. Nagkaroon na ng lights. It's ready to fly. Ayan, that is active. Okay, the drone is now active. Tapos, ilalock natin siya. Meron siyang lock here para hindi lumipad yung ating battery while we are flying. Okay. Make sure na you lock this belt to the battery, so if ever you will crash, the battery will not separate to the drone. And then we cover it. We put a hood para magiging pretty siya. Let's look pretty. Look at that. So we have two options. We can use the rain hood or we can use the single one.
For indoor.
This one is for indoor only because it's very light but very pretty. So meron siyang hole there. We should put properly in the hole, and then you lock. Ayan, look at that. So pretty. Ayan. Tapos later guys, dadagdag ko mamaya, or I will add the video nung pinalipad namin siya, but the video is the weather is not really good, gloomy, and a little bit windy, kaya medyo nag-swing ang drone kasi hindi niya kaya yung hangin because this is just a light one. So that's all guys for my drone. Ayan siya.
Wait, don't forget to tell them.
Huh?
You control it from your phone, not from a controller.
Oh, take note guys, my hubby remind me that don't forget the controller is on the phone. You need to download the AR application for this drone kasi wala siyang remote. Don't have remote, the drone don't have remote, so the controller is on your phone using the AR drones application. Ayan, yung ganito, ito siya ang makikita pag search mo ng application. Ito ang nakikita, AR drones 2.0. Yun ang magko-control ng iyong drone sa paglipad. Ayan siya. Ayan, ganyan siya tingnan guys. Nilagay ko siya sa lamesa. And then the other option. This is for outdoor. Ayan. Ang isa po na pinakita natin is pang indoor lang yun. If ever he get cross or bump any side of the wall or the kisame or the LEC or whatever, safe siya kasi meron